just taken off from Cambridge Airport heading southwest. Let's see if I can find that. Give me a second. Time is 2:40 PM, 29th of August 2019. Just give me a second to load up a website. I'm going to go to planefinder.net. Oh, let me now. So as I said, that just took off from Cambridge Airport heading southwest. Might have to give it a minute or two to show up on the radar, so whilst I'm waiting for this to load up, switch to flightradar24.com. See if they've got anything. It's not that, that's a Piper PA. Just sometimes the logos are in slightly the wrong place. There we go. Bizjet just popped up. You just saw it that exact second. Eclipse EA550. What is that? Not available, but that's Cambridge going to. They don't know. I don't remember filming that kind of bizjet before. That's a bit of an odd one. Registration, they don't know. So let's go back to planefinder.net, and they've got it as D ILAV. Let's just check. Yeah, Eclipse 550. What on earth is that? I'll have to look that up. Anyway, so let's see, where did he come from? Came to Cambridge from, blimey, that's a bit of a wiggly flight path. He's come from a long way away. Let's have a look. Over Stuttgart. Now, where's he come from then? There's no airport at the exact spot that's taken off from. Ah, could it be that one there? I'm not even going to attempt to say that. So that's possibly where he came from. FDH. Okay. FDH. Landed at Cambridge and he's just taken off, as you see. Right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.